Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen chicken updated. Start by trimming and cubing chicken, then season lightly with salt and pepper and set aside while you prepare broth and aromatics, because a quick prep keeps the cook time short and flavors focused. Next, we will simmer the stock, toast the noodle packet seasoning, and assemble the bowl for a fast, comforting meal. Heat a pan and brown the seasoned chicken until golden, then transfer to simmering broth with ginger and garlic to steep flavor while you cook the noodles separately to firm texture. Finish by combining chicken, strained noodles, and broth. Then stir in the flavor packet gently so salt levels stay balanced, and top with green onions and a soft boiled egg for a satisfying ramen bowl. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, with adjustable light and long battery life, so you can follow steps without worrying about splatters on your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, thanks for supporting us. Now let's get back to the video. Taste the broth and adjust seasoning gradually, adding soy sauce or rice vinegar to brighten flavors, and a little miso or butter for richness if desired. Drizzle sesame oil at the end for aroma, not during cooking, and finish with crunchy toppings like toasted sesame or nori strips for texture contrast, which elevates simple ramen into a more complex, restaurant-style bowl that's still quick and home-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.